Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to a new newscast at Deadlines Tonight. It's Friendships Day, so happy Friendships Day to all of you. And with this newscast, we begin a series of newscasts of what we are going to call Fun Ki Baat. And today on Fun Ki Baat, we have with us Dr. Ashwini Upadhyay, who is a market research professional and someone I really admire. So I decided to meet him here in Pune. We are at Balewadi High Street. Yeah, that's what it's called. So he's treated me to some very interesting pasta at Incognito. So thank you for that, sir.
Welcome.
And what we'll do during Fun Ki Baat is have some fun and do some bath.
Yes.
So, sir, what brings you to Pune and Balewadi High Street?
It is your invite, your morning message, which was like, let's meet for breakfast. And then we ended up at lunch, meeting at lunch.
So yeah, sorry about that, sir. That's usually the way my plans work. So I'll work on that next time. But yeah, so I know Professor Upadhyay for the last 3 years now, at least, and my interactions with him have been about various topics, and I consider him as one of my many mentors. And the reason why I've introduced Fun Ki Baat to you guys is so that we can discuss something interesting each time we do this. So hopefully we'll try and make this a weekly series, and let's see how the first one goes, sir. So like we were discussing, we just met yesterday and decided that we should start this, and we have absolutely no agenda in mind. So if there is something that you would like to suggest for our next Fun Ki Baat, please write that in the comment section below. But for today, I think since it's Friendships Day, why don't we start with the concept of friendship, or the concept of Friendships Day rather. So I had written something a few years back about Friendships Day, which is available on ashishvaswani.com, so I'll not repeat it. Why don't you tell me your first Friendships Day ever? When was the concept introduced to you?
See, I have started at Gwalior, Sindhya School Gwalior. So over there we used to stay in boarding, and we used to enjoy whatever time we used to get, because there was no television, there was no internet, nothing. So that was like, we used to go out, play, and we used to, participate in various, competitions happening over there. And that was like, for us, that was like total fun. And today in the morning itself, I was talking to one of my students. She is doing PhD with me, and she stays in US. So I was telling her that there is nothing like friendship. Friendship is something which is very fake, very artificial, and it is more about connections. Emotional connections. So you may not be a friend, but still you may feel connected, and that emotional connect is highly important. That may be in any relationship. That may be like between a husband and wife, that may be between two strangers, they may feel connected. So 1 hour back I met Geeta ma'am, and she was like, I told her I feel connected to you, and the aura which she carries is like exceptionally.
So what I'm
something
trying to
which
do
is out
here
of the
is
world, yeah.
do something Sindhi about my conversations and trying to get many people on the board. And very soon we'll introduce you to the third person of this newscast, which is Geeta ma'am that Ashwini sir just spoke about. So all of you can say hi to Geeta ma'am. Hi Geeta ma'am.
Hi.
So Geeta ma'am happens to be a life coach, and that is the other end of the spectrum. She's done a lot of things in her life. She's been in events, she's been on the spiritual journey and always treading that path. And she's also been a successful mentor for me personally. So Ashwini sir and Geeta ma'am have met today, and it'd be nice to know your inputs on what Friendships Day means to you. कि ऐसी कोई चीज़ होनी भी चाहिए.
Thank you, Ashish, for connecting with me on such a special day. Every day is a special day, I feel, and thank you for introducing me to Sir. It was really nice to expand this friendship group. I've actually been very blessed to have a lot of friends in my life, and yes, I think the best way, like you said, is connecting to your friends, your children, your family, parents, whoever. you think where you can have that bond, that connection, that soul connection. Otherwise, it's all fake, it's all artificial.
Right. That's high level friendship for us.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that is
तो
high
मैं तो
level
इसको कुछ
friendship.
फन की बात करना चाहता था, आपने तो मन की बात शुरू कर दी। उसके लिए ऑलरेडी हमारे
मन
पास
की
एक
बात
प्रधानमंत्री-
मेरे को याद पड़ता है कुछ बहुत साल पहले की बात है, जब मैं दिल्ली में रहती थी। तो आई रिमेंबर बालकनी, जब भी हमारी छोटी सी बालकनी होती थी और वहाँ पर एक ट्रंक हुआ करता था। तो मी एंड माई फ्रेंड अभी, आई डोंट नो वेयर शी इज़, आई एम रिमेंबरिंग हर टुडे, गॉड ब्लेस हर, शी इज़ इन कनाडा परहैप्स, आई डोंट नो, and I've not been in touch with her. But I remember when she used to come, every day used to be our friendship day, because we would always be whispering and telling each other what is exactly happened that day, with each other. And it was so sweet that my father would see us having these conversations, and then he would come and he'll come with nice cup of hot tea, a glass of water, and say, थोड़ा सा break हो जाए. So I remember
This
just
was before Kit Kat came into the market,
yes,
so yeah.
before Kit Kat came, or whatever, Cadbury came in my mind, or other things like.
So I remember, my days at Sidhya. So over there we were like 6 people in class 10, and we used to stay together, and we used to play, we used to sleep, we used to be there together, And now when I look back, what I find is that those people, they have moved to different, countries. One, Akshay Kulkarni is there in Japan. Vikasha is there in US. Then one more friend, Aman Raj Gupta, he is there again in US. One of my friends, Rohit Gupta, he is in Bombay. And one Shantanu Chaturvedi, he is in Delhi. So, but still, we don't talk for years, but whenever we talk, we feel like that, oh, abhi to baat kiya tha humne. So that is the connection which should be there. It should not be like that, friendship becomes a burden on you. So whenever you talk, whenever you are connecting with each other, I talked to Aman Raj Gupta after 18 years, and I felt कि मेरा तो कभी इससे बीच में बात रुका ही नहीं. So that is the kind of connection which should be there,
Yes.
and this is missing in the current generation, because what happens is, if people are not talking for 2 days, they feel that something has happened, and they are not connected with each other.
That's true actually, but I wouldn't say that saying current generation would be right, because you both also belong to this generation, unfortunately.
Really?
Yeah,
So
so
somewhere, I'm talking about teenagers.
हाँ.
So not your generation. It is basically the teenagers who are facing this particular crisis.
अच्छा, मतलब मेरा और आपका generation में भी gap है.
You're the old soul, remember?
Oh, okay. So we'll get back to that conversation maybe in the next fun ki
Yes,
baat,
yes.
which should be renamed to something else, because it will no longer be fun. But anyway,
In
coming
fact,
back.
today, I was watching this video where they were talking about, looking up and, giving up your devices. Because what is happening is, people are like, they are sitting together and they are like conversing on messages. They are not talking to each other. And that is the something, which is missing. Because until unless you have eye contact with the other person, you will not be able to connect.
So that's a very interesting message for today. Taking back this message of maintaining eye contact, looking up from our devices.
Or just
thanks to
going, or
Vodafone.
just going to, nearby lakeside. Just grab some sandwich. Just go and be in that spirit. I still remember. We do that. I remember I was just telling you how we went, me and my friend Vandana, we just drove and to Mulshi, and we had the best conversations, and we met such, what was I telling you, what would you call him? Like
Astrologer?
like an astrologer, who came in our life and he was sharing all the details about what could happen to us, or what has happened to us, and we were awestruck from nowhere we were getting these divine messages perhaps for us. So something like this needs to be relived, recreated. We should actually now look into renewal. The time has come. We need to relive differently.
Wow,
So
that's
connect-
some heavy duty stuff.
Yeah. And moreover, people, they have not understood the value of, conversing
Yes.
in the night. You are sitting outside just on, somewhere outside, and you are just watching the moon and you are conversing.
By the way, talking about moon, tomorrow is a full moon, lunar eclipse,
Oh yes, and Raksha Bandhan.
and Raksha Bandhan. So there are good bonds waiting out for you.
Wow.
So Ashish, look out.
Yeah.
You never know the 10-year later.
Okay. We'll come back to that
Soulmate.
conversation in subsequent Fun Ki Baats. I like how this Fun Ki Baat is going. I like the pace and I like the flavor and texture and whatever else they teach you in marketing that it is getting. But we'll have to.
So somewhere, it's all about the positioning in your mind.
So the market
So-
researcher speaks.
Yeah. So we have this concept of positioning in marketing. And when we talk about relationships, it's important that that positioning should be there in your mind in whatever relation you are. Let it be a family relation, let it be your friends, or let it be anybody.
Right.
If you have a position in the mind of the other person, you will always be remembered. You will never feel disconnected. But if you are not having a position, then you will be like ordinary and the other person will not remember you. So if you want yourself to be remembered, it's necessary to have a clear position.
Wow. That's some marketing yarn on friendship for you guys. So this is obviously a great start to Fun Ki Baat. And the yarn we are going to take ahead with us today is that we need to have positioning to our friendship. So all you guys out there, please position your friends wisely, position your friendships wisely rather, and just go out there and look up, look out of your devices, meet people and talk to them.
Somewhere, people have forgotten, how to chill. It's important to chill also,
All right.
You may be sitting outside at 2 o'clock, you may be sitting outside at, 4:30 in the night, conversing with your friends, relatives, wives, whosoever. But, it is important that you should know how to chill, because that is the thing which is going to further determine and strengthen your relationship.
Wow. Just chill.
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you to Ashwini Upadhyay and Geeta ma'am and Salman Khan for Just Chill. So on that note, ladies and gentlemen, this is Ashish Vaswani signing off from another episode of Deadlines Tonight's new Peshkash, which is called Fun Ki Baat. And signing off with me today are Professor Ashwini Upadhyay, who hopefully will be with us in subsequent Fun Ki Baats, and so will Miss Geeta Singhani. Thank you very much for your time, ma'am, sir,
Thank you.
and hope to see you on subsequent Fun Ki Baats. Happy
Look
friendships to
forward
you.
to more of this.
Yeah, more of it.
Wow, this is a great start. So, bye bye, ladies and gentlemen. See you on the next Fun Ki Baat. Don't just watch the news, be it.